Hey everyone, welcome back. And this is going to be for all the signs, heart reading, and I hope that you all are doing well. Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Also, I am on Instagram. It says HELLS, Shells Running. What else? If you wish to support the channel, you may do so via PayPal. Then my GPay ID is there, and UPI ID from India also people can do so easily. And I've been getting support from that as well. So thank you for that. Also, stay connected, hit the bell icon, hype it, share it. Okay, let's start. Something is going to situation or whatever your life situation unfold. Okay, that's what is coming. UNFOLD. Something is going to unfold in your life. Unfold, you're going to know the truth, you're going to have the clarity, you'll know the feelings of someone. If someone is about to tell you something or do something about it. I'm also hearing the word decorate, so maybe someone is about to decorate and write something letter to you. Could be using online stationery and writing a particular letter to you. Okay, oh, sorry, have to adjust so that we can be focused. Someone is about to get more focused on you, or you are about to get focused on someone, vice versa. But also, you're about to get focused on something very specific. Now, for some of you, it's not romance, it's work situation, it's some situation about your life. I'm also hearing the words storytelling. Some of you are into that. Now, tarot is also one of storytelling, but it's like on situations and the depths and secrets. But storytelling could be any style, okay? So maybe some of you are into that. Some of you are about to start your new journey, new surf, new beginning. Unfold is also that. But yes, I can see a lot of books around. Just right away, I'm seeing a lot of books around. So maybe that's why I picked on storytelling. But also, yeah, yeah, maybe you're a writer. Okay, yes, or maybe you just write also, but you also tell stories. It's also, very beautiful work. You do tell stories. Okay, that's interesting. I'm hearing the word upheaval. UPHEAVEL. Is that upheaval? If some spelling is wrong, no offense. Something has to do with upheaval, kind of. Something is connected with messages. Messages left inbox. It's yes. It's someone is not aware that they are already there, or they are avoiding not to read that because there's a lot of messages I see somewhere accumulating. Uh, is it like you blocked someone, or literally? I'm sorry. I sometimes go flow with words and then I don't remember at times. Oh, I don't get the words proper. Sometimes it doesn't mean that I don't know the words actually. They ran off with the truth. Someone, Seven of Swords, they ran off with the messages. They ran off with emotions. They ran off without doing proper measurements, without confronting, without confessing. A thief, a sneaky energy. No, I can't say that on camera. How can? Okay, they're giving me the word. I'm going to spell it. BASTARD. That's what you call them. Or you did. Or you still call. Why? Because they did wrong. Someone who stole your energy. Um, um, I'm hearing the word crickets, the sound at night. Um, okay, this is what energy is about. This is what I'm getting. Like you might be keeping your hand here, like at night, because that's what you hear their words like, or you know, at night it's anxiety, and maybe it's not now totally, but still a little bit like 50-50. Oh my god. I'm also seeing the words shadow, SHADOW in front of me. Now, shadow, and the next word is love. And so maybe someone kept things in shadow regarding love or regarding feelings. I am telling you, the Seven of Swords energy, they were, could be even, yes, I'm getting that. Why do we say always gold digger? Just because everyone say it like, you know, they could be silver digger, they could be my coin digger, they could be my money digger, like literally currency. Someone took your money as well. A liar, thief in that way, never gave up, never gave your money back, kind of, or never even did something that was supposed to be done by them. Also drained you, okay? Financially, emotionally, physically. Look at this. They talk about finances. She is taking care of her purse, bag, whatever that is you call. In some places, at some places, we also call it as batua. If it's smaller, you keep that tick and you keep your stuff there. Okay. So what I mean to say is Four of Pentacles. The one who talked a lot and then they asked from you favor or favors, even financial help. You know, to be honest, sometimes I feel like people love listening to, oh, they love us, oh, they uh, are coming back, oh, they, but my readings may not be sometimes. If such messages come, I do give, right? But my messages are also reality check. And I know maybe people won't be, maybe they won't be interested, much interested in knowing um, the truth. I mean, I'm sorry, I can't help it. Okay, um, maybe they're not interested in knowing um, the reality, but we know that we need the reality. Know that. So I understand what people want, but what is coming as in messages, they're more important because we need to be alert. That's why we listen to tarots so that we can guide ourselves and we can take our decisions, right? So, Four of Pentacles is please take care of your hard earned money for sure. And look away from some energies when it's needed, especially the ones who try to connect with you again and again, or they come around. Okay, not a good idea. So let's see what is coming for everyone, and apologize for that. I do take care, but sometimes it happens. It's not intentional, of course. Everybody knows. You might have dealt with some confusing, or you are dealing right now someone who is so confusing. Like you don't want to even think about that, but they just dropped in your life out of nowhere, okay, and it was not a good news. Like, I knew you were trouble when you walked in. That is going to be a channeled message, channeled song. That's what I heard. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. But, you figured that out um, sooner, much sooner. Like, oh no, that ain't the person, not right. Okay. Okay, let's see. Refresh it. Tell us what is coming. Hmm. You're just like avoiding emotional connection right now. You're just avoiding it, and you're connecting more with what you say spiritual, with the universe more. Okay, you are least interested right now in emotions and all that stuff. What you are interested right now is in the present mode in your life. Even if you attract people more, you're not into that right now. I mean, you're just no. And what you are doing is you're connecting more with universe, the star. You're asking what is my life path. You're asking that where I need to be now. You're asking, and you're going to get the direction. And I'm sure that you are getting direction. This is Aquarius, so listener or dealer, but you are getting a new direction. Today my message over here is like north, south, east, and west here in the tattoo. Okay, this is what interesting is as well. Heading somewhere. That's an arrow in the mid. So, yes. Oh, definitely you're ending. Definitely you're sick and tired of some situation or location or work or some connection or relationship. You are just not going to look back. You're not looking back. You've come so far. Almost over. Almost this journey is over and you're done with someone. You're not going to look back. There's a decision coming. New choices. Maybe you from last 2 years, I'm telling you, from last 2 years, you may be feeling stuck in something. To give more importance to what, and this could be even in the mid of or in the middle of you and the person, okay, or certain situation, and now you're choosing yourself, and you're going to be free. Page of Wands energy. You are going to be free once you take this action. I do feel yes, and you're looking forward for new things. I think they don't want us to take any card. They want me 12 recording time. Oh my, new journey is beginning, definitely. Let's see what is coming. Now I'm just focused on the card. What is coming for all of you? What is coming for all of you? All of you means all of you. Whoa. Your move. Okay. Very beautiful decision. Better, good choices, good decision is coming. Your mind, your heart is aligned now. And whatever you weren't deciding or whatever you were dealing or got delayed for any reason, now it's not going to. The Chariot is move. So your next move, next chapter is starting. Can say it could be listener or dealer. Yes, definitely, it's done. Done. 10 of Wands, wind up. You're wrapping up whatever that is for you. You're actually even shifting. It's a relocation as well. I'm not saying everyone is doing that, but some of you you need it the most. Okay, so you're going to wrap and move with stuff. Okay, you're shifting. It's a heavy shift you haven't done in a while. What is coming in? Okay, definitely. You're also going on a break. No response is a response. So you are deciding for yourself, and also you're not going to respond to someone anymore. It's like a final stop. You're going to stop somewhere, and it's somewhere near nature or somewhere possible. It's somewhere where you're going to be off the grid, kind of. No more access to your energy. Knight of Pentacles could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Might be listening to me or dealing, listener or dealer. It's reverse. But what I feel here is like the final stoppage. Like you are not going to be, you're going to move so fast and relocate or travel or somewhere. This could be work related stuff as well for some of you. You're going to join after a while, after the pause, you're going to get some call or confirmation or something. Okay, let me see what. Like you are definitely not doing this pickup from where you're leaving. Do you see this? Like it's going to change. It's going to be twist and turn. You're no longer excited for certain person anymore or certain situation anymore. You're putting an end to something. Queen of Wands energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, listener or dealer. Because there's no authentication. Okay. So you're just stopping it. It's kind of, it's reverse. Okay. I don't know what you believe in, how you read it. I don't know. I connect on a psychic note, so my readings are going to be possible, totally different from terms and everything. So what I see, I connect. Okay. Oh my God. Hmm. You people, whoever is listening to me, you are moving, crossing over this situation of weight. Listen to me. Whether this is work or person, whether this is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, male or female energy, just energy wise, you're crossing over. You are no longer excited. You're putting a full stop and you are doing a wrap here. I can tell you this much right away. And it's going to be very unexpected of you as well. No more explanation, no response. Maybe you're going to block the energy as well. Maybe the accumulation of message is going to be there, but you are not going to entertain that anymore. No love for them, no response for them, no greeting for them. No more excitement. I told you my readings are different. Of course, every reader is different, but also I bring, and I try at least to bring the reality. So whatever is coming, it's coming. Okay. Okay. So you're putting an end to something, the word. So it's like you're crossing through a portal for a new chapter, okay, or on a new journey. You already have the Chariot card. But I had in my mind why these Knight of Pentacles and Queen of Wands reversed is because of a strength, or is on this connecting card is strength. So with the strength card, Leo, could be a listener or dealer, but with the strength card, you are going to show that face of yours and the courage that people were unaware of in this time frame. Okay, especially the person, they might be feeling that how come you are like this, because now you have courage, or you always had, but you were like a lamb, like, naive, and got into something, okay, a trap or emotionally stuck situation. But what you're showing now is opposite of lamb, that no one can come and, trigger me or provoke me. What you are right now is becoming a lioness or a lion, okay? That's what you're becoming. And the strength you never showed, you're going to show. And this is especially about a hard situation, especially, okay? So now you know things, and what is coming in future is this Page of Pentacles. Your new start is happening. This is also a work situation, a work message, a work confirmation is coming for some of you. Could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, somehow connected with you, or they're going to connect. Some of you might have a child or children of young teenagers or less than that, or little above, but in early, after 18 or early 20s, kind of as well. Okay. However, there is something very important that is coming, and you're going to keep it very close to yourself. Okay. Okay, I have this question. What is? Yes, work collaboration for some of you. Three of Pentacles. You're about to get very busy, and travel is on cards. I can tell you for some of you, very, very, very strong travel. Okay. Now in coming time, July month was going to be important. I know you're going to hear it right away, like in the coming days, but still your preparation is going to be that very big move is coming. Okay, for some of you, less than that, like 7 days for some of you, because everyone's timeline is different. So for some of you it's 7th month, for some of you it's 7 days, or can be 7 weeks, count it, but 7. Oh, that was quick. An Aquarius, a listener, or a dealer. Now, what is coming for you is definitely new work, new direction, new join, new location. It's destined call. Okay, it's a destiny call, and it's going to be your effort here that you're going to put to prove your worth. Okay, and also I want to show today the message on me is this north, south, east, west. It's arrow going further. Okay, so yes, new direction. It's connected with your work and fame. Okay, some of you are going to get more fame now in the coming time. Via what you do, what work, it's going to grow. Okay, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.